Crude oil opened a new trading week in the red. Brent crude slumped 3.7% for the last week. Meanwhile, the ruble is extending strength, trading at about 64 against the US dollar. The Russian currency opened on Monday with a marginal climb against the euro and the US dollar. The dollar-ruble pair is holding at near 64.59, not far from the level where it closed on Friday. The ruble is rather confident and immune to a drop in oil prices, at least until Brent crude trades at the price above $40 a barrel. There are no weighty reasons for the US currency to weaken in the medium term. The Federal Reserve is unlikely to give in to Donald Trump's pressure. In other words, the US regulator will hardly give priority to curbing the too strong US dollar and cut interest rates faster than economic conditions require. Thus, in late September and early October, the greenback is going to assert strength across the board. The dollar-ruble pair is expected to trade firmly at about 65 mark. Sentiment in the oil market is still subdued. Brent crude quotes are still extending losses. On September 17, Brent traded at $68.36 a barrel, whereas the international benchmark rate settled down at $61.08 on Monday morning. Crude oil prices have been weighed down by the prospects of easing political tensions in the Middle East. Saudi Arabia agreed to a limited ceasefire in several areas of Yemen, which are seized by Houthi rebels. The Saudi authorities are making efforts to end a 4-year conflict. On the other hand, oil quotes might find support from the oil rig count by Baker Hughes. The number of active drilling rigs in the US contracted to the lowest level in over 2 years. The oil rig count has been posting a downtrend for 6 straight weeks. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.